What's up guys, this is Igor in Russia and I'm in Kolpino city, a city which is part of St. Petersburg as an independent city. In this video we're gonna explore the Russian life here in Kolpino. Subscribe to the channel because you know you're gonna get nowhere else this kind of material in good and bad. Let's go. First things we see is a monument to Lenin. Somebody is actually rowing over there. It says, "We are always the first." Not many people. Okay. And it actually continues around this market building, also outside. That's really nice. Man, this place is awesome. And watermelons are very nice here. They all usually huge ones, and decent priced as well. I think that's the end of it. Tyypillinen neuvostorakennus, vähän pietarilaista makua. Näin, koodilla sisään. Noin ja ovi avautuu. Yhteistyö on varmasti laitettu jäihin, kun Suomessa tyyliin jo aina. Ja tää koko äijä löhyilee, aivan upeat. Ja vähän karun näköinen leikkikenttä, vaikka 300-vuotinen kaupunki juhlistaa tänä vuonna 300 vuotta. Kuvittele, että on jotain hirveetä ja pelottavaa. Beautiful, man. It's beautiful. And here's the statue for soldiers of the local conflict. Heroes for the participants of military conflicts. Not Second World War like usually, so this is not typical statue here in Kolpino. Very interesting. Located here inside a really nice looking park. Heading back to the train station. Alright, this is Igor in Russia saying bye from Kolpino. This was an awesome experience. I really enjoyed this place. I want to come next time without the camera, just enjoy. And thanks for watching. Subscribe, watch all my videos, watch St. Petersburg and other smaller cities that I explore on my channel and bigger cities in the future. So bye bye and subscribe and до свидания.